Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I have another quick card making video in which I am using one of my freebie templates that I share as freebie on my blog that are silhouette or SVG cut files, and I'm using the digital version of the paper, My Valentine by Carta Bella. So this one is also one that I prefer working with a template because it's not a simple cut a rectangle out of a piece of paper, but it's actually at an angle. So the papers are all at an angle, and so it's easier to create such things using a template. So I did that. That's why I'm using the digital papers, but obviously I could have just used some of my other pattern papers and used the cut file to cut these papers out. Anyway, this is my card done. I'm leaving you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.